Open the trunk to gain access.
Remove the rivets that secure the panel to the vehicle. Pry up the center of the rivet first. This will unlock it. Next, pry up the base of the fastener.
There are 3 rivets that need to be removed. Here's a closer look at how to remove the rivets.
Lift the panel to remove it.
We recommend wearing gloves when changing your lights. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely.
Remove the fastener by prying it back.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pull back the trunk lining to gain access. Remove the bolts that secure the housing by turning them counterclockwise.
There are 3 bolts that secure the housing to the vehicle.
Take the bulb housing out of the vehicle.
Don't be afraid to use a little force.
Disconnect the wires by pulling them out. Slide the locking mechanism back, then push the tab down to pull out the connector from the bulb housing. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Push the connector straight in to connect the new housing. Reconnect the connector.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place.
Make sure any hoses or wires going to it are not pinched and it's positioned correctly. Replace the bolts that secure the housing by turning them clockwise.
We recommend changing your bulbs in pairs. If one bulb is burnt out, its counterpart bulb is likely near the end of its life as well. Bulbs get dimmer by 20% over time, which is another great reason to change both bulbs at once. Make sure the bulb housing is secure.
Fold the trunk lining to its original position. Replace the fastener by pushing it back in. Replace the upper panel. Align the base of the rivet first. Next, push down on the center to lock it in place.
There are 2 more rivets that need to be replaced. Make sure the assembly is tight and secure.